Cycle through all of them. Just real. Hold on.
Is it changing by itself?
I don't even know. I was pressing buttons and it wasn't changing. So
that's what happened. You press buttons.
Like,
don't press buttons. I'm just playing. Pow. And it should reset itself to change color.
It's gonna cycle through?
Yep.
Okay, bet.
When people strip down and they have no underwear on, what I do is I normally work on their back, and then I cover them up lightly. I work on their legs, and then at the end, you see how I had her silent? So if he didn't have any underwear on, like once I'm done versus using the rag on just his back, I'll do like the side lane, and I take the rag from the feet all the way up, all the way down and around, and then cover that leg up and go around to the other side and do it, yeah. Because I feel like even though I do the massage in sections, I feel like once I'm done with this section, even though I cover you back up and I uncover you, I feel like when I'm done, I still connect you from your root all the way to your crown, you know?
Yeah, right.
And a lot of people miss that connective feeling. That's why a lot of people get eczema massage. Because eczema massage, this blanket is done off and it's just this sheet. And what I do is I take it, which that would be dope to record. Because a lot of people are always asking me, like, what is the eczema massage? How does it work? You know? But whoever my model is going to have to be very comfortable with being naked, because the only thing that's covered the whole massage is here.
Probably gonna have to do that over. I just need the clip part.
Oh, okay. And you actually open it?
Yeah.
Is that one more?
It's ready to go. All right.